Yeah, so let's talk about how you could help, either home buyers or out of province investors with their properties.
Absolutely.
So what does that process look like?
Yeah, absolutely. So basically, with Sherwin Williams, and when you're dealing with me directly, like I like to sit down with all my customers when I first meet you, basically, and get an idea of what your expectations are, what your business looks like, what your goals are, and that way I can align like what we can do with your needs. There's a lot of bells and whistles, some great resources that Sherwin Williams has. Doesn't mean it's great for you. So if I can get that read, I have a better idea. So whether it's putting you in contact with local contractors. I mean, obviously, we're a paint store. We deal with a lot of painters, a lot of renovation companies. So we have those contacts. We know who's capable of what. So there's that connectivity we can put together. Also, things like you mentioned earlier, like free delivery, and sort of maintaining like lost time, so that if your contractors are working on multiple properties, we can make sure paint is there first thing in the morning, paint is there in the afternoon, or if there's a problem, basically, is another major issue where I come in. If you have your painters there, you can't be there. I don't know, there's a weird stain on the wall, or what can we paint this? It's a weird substance on this. Can this floor be painted? I'm able to get down there, take a look at it, use the resources that Sherwin Williams has as well, such as our tech lines, and come up with a system that'll save you money, save you time, and hopefully get the job done. So
Awesome. So you just basically cater to their needs.
I cater to your needs.
Yeah,
I have one phone. I have one. That's it. I'm available almost 24/7.
He is literally
He is literally
24/7.
24/7.